In this video today, I'll be showing you how to use Handbrake to convert the .MTS AVCHD video file format to MP4. Okay, so that format here, the MTS format, is not compatible with any video editing software or YouTube. So you want to convert it into a format that is. So I'm going to use Handbrake here to do so. So first you want to download Handbrake if you don't have it already. I'll put the link below in the description rather. When you open up Handbrake for the first time, you'll be greeted with a source selection screen. If you have a DVD here, you can select a DVD. You can also choose a singular file, as I will be doing, or do a batch scan and upload here. So I will choose the singular file. Browse around location right here. I will select this 11-second file. It will scan it for me. Open it up. Give it a second. Once it does that, you want to choose your destination. I will bring back to my folder here any name that I would like real quick. My save as type is MP4. Hit save. Okay, that is done. My container output setting is MP4. I will not do web optimization, but you can do that as well. If you know what kind of format, and say you want Gmail, you want Android, you want iPhone, you want iPad, you want Apple TV, anything like that, you can choose from these presets on the right hand side here, nice and handy, that have been created by the Handbrake community. Okay, so I do not want to do that, so I'm going to hit video, the video tab here, and we'll get started on our own settings. Let's do video codec is H.264. We'll keep that as is. Frame rate will change back to same as source. Variable frame rate rather, we will keep checked, and we'll go to average bit rate. We'll check that, and we'll do 2000. It's not an HD video. We will get rid of and uncheck the 2-pass encoding and turbo first pass. And you could also change the audio, which I do not want to do in this case. But to do that, just hit audio, and you can change right here from 160 to whatever you would like. I'm not going to do that though. Let's go back to video. Just keep it as is. Let's hit start. Now, this being a shorter video, this will not take very long. Probably about 40 to 50 seconds to do. Just give it a minute. If you have a longer video, maybe a half an hour to an hour to 2 hours, it will take a longer time. So just keep that in mind if you're in a time crunch. In order then to save time in the future, you can also add what you have currently done as a preset. So I'm going to go down here, and I will double check. I don't have anything saved, so I'm going to hit add and just save it as a preset so I can save it for next time. So we'll do .mts to MP4. Okay, leave the settings as is. Same, the save picture size as source. Hit add, and if I go down a little bit, you can see the user presets, and next time I go into Handbrake here, I can just select this and hit start, and I will be ready to go. So as we see here, about 50% done. Like I said, it varies on time. You can monitor the time here with the time remaining. We have 52 seconds about. This will vary with the size or with the memory on your computer as well, sometimes I've found, and speed of your computer as well. Just overall whatnot. So you want to make sure that you give yourself enough time if you're in a crunch. So we'll wait a minute. We'll wait for this to be done. If it does get to a point where it looks like it's frozen, you may just be very patient with it. It might just blast through, especially if it's a shorter video, and tell you it's done, tell you the queue is done. You can also add, if you have a DVD, you can also add multiple titles here by selecting this and doing the drop down and browsing for your location, and hit adding the queue and showing your queue as well. That is what I've used in the past, and I will do a future video on that. Okay, as you can see, it's about 88.95% done, 13 seconds. So it is frozen, so give it a minute. Like I said. Give it one more minute here. Okay, as you see here, the queue is finished. So the video is now converted. We can verify this by going back to our location. Let me do this real quick. Videos. As you can see, here is my new MP4 file. It is a 12-second 3.6 or 3.39 megabyte file. And so that is exactly how you convert the .MTS AVCHD video file format to user-friendly or more user-friendly MP4 to use on a video editing software and to put on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching this video tutorial. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.